If you want your steak to taste rich, juicy, and packed with flavor, this Japanese-style steak marinade is exactly what you need. It comes together with a few simple ingredients but gives you that deep, restaurant-style taste at home. You can find the full recipe with all the exact measurements in the description below. Start with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to create a rich, savory base with a hint of sweetness and nuttiness. Give that a quick mix so everything comes together into a smooth, well-balanced base. Now add 3 cloves of finely minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger for that deep, aromatic kick. Then go in with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to balance out the flavors with a touch of sweetness and acidity. And finally, add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper for a subtle heat that ties everything together. Mix everything really well until the sugar is dissolved and the marinade is smooth, glossy, and fully combined. If you love simple recipes that bring big flavor like this, go ahead and like this video and send it to someone who needs a steak upgrade. And if you are new here, hit subscribe, tap the little bell icon, and join us for more easy, flavor-packed recipes. And just like that, your Japanese-style steak marinade is ready. This makes about half a cup of marinade, perfect for coating 2 to 3 steaks. Let your steak sit in this for at least 30 minutes or longer if you want a deeper, richer flavor. Give this a try the next time you're making steak, as it really makes a difference. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with another simple and flavorful recipe.